shit.
What is that?
Alright, this shit just went down. Nigga fucking hit this other nigga's car like Greg motherfucking Jennings. Don't know what the fuck she was thinking.
Sharper, stupid.
Shit the fuck. Damn. Nigga was going so hard though. She was like, no, I don't use safety bags. I fuck bitches. I'ma die though. And then Greg Jennings, the hardest hitting nigga. I just said the shit wrong though. And then this guy on the top of the shit though, holding his leg. Look at him hold this shit, man. He on holding that fucking bag. You can't really see it though. The sun is too motherfucking bright. But earlier though, shit hit the other shit. Niggas going down.